Just a short drive from Peppercorn Hill, you'll find the picturesque Olivine Estate in Donnybrook, a community that blends natural beauty with modern convenience. With beautifully landscaped parks, a charming cafe, and some of the best schools in the area, Olivine Estate is all about fostering connection and creating opportunities for every stage of life. No visit to Olivine is complete without stopping by the Shared Cup Café, a social enterprise cafe dedicated to fostering community spirit. Run by locals, this not-for-profit initiative is a welcoming space to connect, relax, and enjoy great coffee, all while supporting the neighbourhood's growth. At the heart of this thriving community is Hume Anglican Grammar, the only secondary school in Donnybrook. This modern campus, opened in 2019, is dedicated to nurturing bright young minds, with classes currently open to Year 8 and expanding to Year 9 in 2025. For younger learners, Wallaby Childcare Centre and Eucalyptus Parade Kindergarten offer enriching play and early education, while the newly opened Donnybrook Primary School provides state-of-the-art facilities, including a library, science and music spaces, and even a competition-grade gym. For adults, Olivine partners with Prace Adult Education, offering opportunities to grow and thrive through courses in conversational English, bookkeeping, construction, and more. This is a community where lifelong learning is celebrated. At our Olivine Display Village, Carlisle Homes showcases 3 incredible designs from our Inspire collection. The Kensington Grand Deluxe 44 is ideal for entertaining, while the Granada Grand 37 combines functionality with contemporary style. For families, the Amberley Grand Pantry 29 features innovative layouts and smart storage solutions, making everyday living effortless. Also on show is the Edgewood Grand Pantry from the Easy Living series. This stunning home effortlessly combines open-plan living with entertaining areas and privacy of a kid's bedroom wing. This home is the ultimate in family practicality. Olivine Estate offers the perfect balance of natural beauty and modern amenities. Whether you're raising a family, starting fresh, or looking to belong to a vibrant community, Olivine is the perfect place to call home. But remember that Carlisle also build in other nearby estates, including Catalia, Hertford, and more, offering even greater options for families to find their perfect home. Plus, with Carlisle Homes, you can secure a stunning 3-bedroom house and land package for under $600,000. So don't miss this incredible opportunity to build your future in one of Melbourne's most vibrant communities. Make the move to Olivine Estate with Carlisle Homes. Visit our display village, explore our exceptional designs, and discover how our house and land packages can have you moving into your new home in just 20 weeks.